Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel JK FutureTech. Today I will show you how to install Sora by OpenAI, the amazing AI video generation app, even if says this item is not available in your country. Watch this video till the end and you will be able to download and use it anywhere in the world. Let's start. Step 1. Check the problem. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Sora by OpenAI. You will see this message: this item is not available in your country. Don't worry, we'll fix this in just a few simple steps. Step 2. Clear Google Play data. Go to your phone settings, apps, Google Play Store, storage. Tap on clear data and clear cache. This will reset your Play Store region settings. Step 3. Turn on VPN. Now install any trusted free VPN like Thunder VPN, Proton VPN, 11 by Cloudflare VPN. Open the VPN and connect to United States or Canada. Keep the VPN on for the next steps. Step 4. Create a new Google account. Now create a new Google account while your VPN is on. This will automatically make your new account region as the United States. Once the account is created, open Play Store with this new account. Step 5. Install Sora by OpenAI. Go back to Play Store and search again for Sora by OpenAI. Boom! Now the app will appear with the install button. Tap install and wait for the download to complete. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Sora in your country. That's it. Now you can create AI video using Sora by OpenAI no matter where you live. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.